So today I'm going to be giving this steering wheel repair kit a go. I bought this online from the Furniture Clinic. It's supposed to be able to restore an old worn steering wheel back to kind of like as new condition, which if you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll see that the steering wheel in my Cupra R is quite worn. It's a common issue, it happens to most of them, and it is 17 years old. So it'll be good to see if this actually can make a difference. So I'm going to give this a go today. It was quite a cheap kit, it was only £25. So I know if you're going to get a steering wheel retrim, you're looking at around £200. So if this works, it'll be good value for money, being only £25. So let's give it a go and see what it turns out like. So inside the box, you get the 4 bottles of product, which are, one is a leather binder, one is an alcohol cleaner, and then the next one is the leather colour. In this case, I've got the black one, and then a liquid degreaser. And then as well as that, you get 2 sponges. I've only got one in there because I've just removed one out for this video, and you get 1 white cloth to use as well. So let's have a look at the steering wheel as it is now. As you can see, it's quite worn. You can see the red coming through from underneath. The steering wheel is 17 years old, so it's not in too bad a condition for its age, but it definitely needs some improvement. So the first step is to use the included sandpaper to sand down the steering wheel and sand down any cracks or any worn bits of leather to make it as smooth as you can. This was pretty scary at first, taking some sandpaper on my steering wheel, but as the steering wheel needs some work, I thought, well, I'll just give it a shot. The next step is to use the liquid degreaser. I'm going to use the cloth provided to wipe down the whole steering wheel with it. And this is used to remove any grease off the steering wheel and also decontaminate any areas. Next, we're going to use the alcohol cleaner. Again, with the cloth provided, I'm going to wipe this over the whole surface of the steering wheel. This will help to remove any degreaser that's left over and also prepare the leather for the next step. Next step is to use the leather binder. It does say in the instructions to use this in certain areas where the leather has become rough, but I'm just going to use this over the whole steering wheel. Again, I'm just going to use it with the cloth that's been provided. And finally, it's time to use the leather colour. So I'm going to use one of the sponges that was included in the kit, and I'm going to build up light, even coats of colour, allowing it to dry in between and then build up more and more coats until the whole steering wheel is covered. And what a difference it's made. The steering wheel looks like new, the worn leather's all gone, it really does look good. The leather repair kit for £25 was definitely worth it, and I would definitely recommend it. can see, the next job on the list is going to be the gear knob. That's kind of quite worn as well, so I'll be using the same treatment as I've done on the steering wheel on the gear knob. So I'll be in the next video. Thanks for watching.